BEAMABLE is a gamified project that seamlessly powers Unity and Unreal with decentralized backends. If you know about Unity and Unreal, you find that their gaming engines have been used by big gamer companies to produce games. So, but BEAMABLE will be decentralizing them in the blockchain. So this is built by game devs and backed by Web3. So you can see they've raised $13.5 million, and this is various companies have partnered with them. So if this airdrop, if you're using mobile, endeavor to use your MySys browser to do it. You can also use your dApps browser in MetaMask or Solana or your OKX wallet. If you're using your PC, you can use your Chrome to do it. So I'll be showing us how to position for this airdrop. So we can go ahead to start. So you can see to join BEAMABLE Network, enter your email. But they say that this experience is better on PC. But if you're not using PC, endeavor to use your MySys browser or your dApps browser in any of your wallets to do it. So I'll be entering my email now. So my referral code, you have to use a referral code. So the link with the referral code will be in my description. So once you enter the email, you go ahead to verify the email. So once you verify the email, a link will be sent to your email. So you just get to click the link. If you don't see the link, endeavor to check your spam messages in your Gmail for you to be able to see the link. So I'll be going over now to click the link to continue the airdrop. So once you click the link and the verification is complete, it will bring you to this page where you just have to put in your username, your preferred username, and then you enter the BEAMABLE Network Community Hub. So I'll put in my username now, then enter. So once you join the hub, to bring you to this place, and this is quite sure because this BEAMABLE airdrop is quite sure because they've partnered with Unreal and Unity engine, and you can see here they also partnered with Solana, and here they've done their series A where they raised $13.5 million. So it's something that you do not get to fade. Then over here at events, you can see that you can earn 100 points for each of the events you join. So you can join an event and turn on your notifications so that you can receive. Whenever you join the event, you get to claim the 100 points. So let's go back to this hamburger menu here. In the hamburger menu, you can see this is my username, this is the number of invites I have, and then this is the number of points. Then if you go over to start, you can get to see some tasks there. So the various tasks in start. So endeavor to complete them to claim as much. Most of the points here are up to 1,500 points. I've completed mine. So once you're done with the task here, you go over to this hamburger menu, come over to the proof of governance free NFT. It has a quest and it has a voucher claim. So for the quests, just follow the proof of governance digital on X to get 500 points and an NFT. Follow them on Discord to get 1,000 points. And when you are done, come over to voucher claim and get to claim a free voucher. You can claim to claim a free voucher. I think the vouchers has finished. Yeah, vouchers has finished. So I don't think there will be any need to get to claim the voucher. So go back. Over here at invites, you can get to see your referral link. Mine will be in the description. And when you register, you can get to share your referral link in the comment section so that others too can get to register. At endpoints, there are two ways to endpoints here. So if you go to quests, these are the various quests you get to do daily. But there are already a lot of backlog of quests here, so you can try to complete them. As you can see, most of the quests are up to 500 points. Then if you go back daily, you can get to claim points daily from here. So, but the days you've missed will not be counted. So you just have to continue from February. So if you join the airdrop today, you can get to claim from day 17 downwards. So I've claimed the points for day 17. So I think that's over here. You can get to see your leaderboards, and they're here discussion. I think that's everything for this airdrop. There is nothing much. So endeavor to register and perform these tasks as much as possible. Complete all these tasks. This airdrop might be a great cook. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, do it to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on post notifications so you can get more videos whenever I post them. My Telegram channel link will be in the description. Do well to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.